Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all few gifting options which are perfect for the upcoming festival season. मतलब दिवाली के लिए तो दिवाली पे usually हम friends and families को gifts करते हैं. तो I hope this video is helpful because इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ ऐसी gift sets share करने वाली हूँ which are under ₹800, but at the same time these are not from some any like ऐसे वैसे ब्रांड से नहीं है. these are from like really reputed brands like Forest Essentials, Kama Ayurveda, Khadi, Momsco and lot of other good brands. Also guys, the Amazon Great Indian Festival is currently going on and all of the products that I've used in this video are at some amazing discounts. So please make sure you are checking the links in the description box for all of the products that I've used in this video. So I hope this video is helpful for you and let's begin with the haul. Okay, so the first gift set is by the brand called Kimrika. So Kimrika is basically a luxury bath and body kind of a brand. Unke products mostly rotate around bath and body as well as like hand wash and hand soaps and bath soaps as well. So unka ye wala gift set मैंने recently purchase किया. Now Kimrika again has a lot of different gift sets depending upon डिफरेंट बजट टाइप्स. तो ये वाला जो है सबसे सस्ता वाला मुझे मिला, तो वही मैं इस वीडियो में आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. वंस आई एम डन टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस गिफ्ट सेट, आई विल ऑल्सो बी इंसर्टिंग लाइक ऑप्शंस फॉर यू इन केस आपका थोड़ा सा हायर बजट है तो आप वो गिफ्ट सेट्स भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वील टॉक अबाउट दिस गिफ्ट सेट. दिस इज हाउ इट कम्स इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल पैकेजिंग एंड पैकेजिंग ही इतना ब्यूटिफुल है दैट यू डोंट नीड अ सेपरेट पैकेजिंग ओवर दिस बेसिकली. तो दिस कम्स इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ स्लाइड आउट, देख सकते हैं आप. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू ओपन द बॉक्स, this is how the products look like. Okay, so they have 4 products in this gift set. There is a body wash, the shower gel basically, there is a body lotion, there is a soap, okay, and then there is a hand cleansing gel. Okay, so this one, the shower gel as well as the body lotion, is in the fragrance of tangerine and green tea, which is so unique I would say, because tangerine is very citrusy fragrance and green tea is more refreshing, so the culmination of these two fragrances give you a very unique scent. तो मैंने ये body lotion use किया, that is why I am able to describe the scent so much better, because it's so unique. It's citrusy as well as it's fresh, it's perfect and it's very unisex fragrance. मतलब men as well as women can easily use this. ये इतना ज़्यादा versatile है. So and the quantity that you get in this gift set is also really amazing, because both of the body lotion, the shower gel as well as the body lotion come in 300 ml का quantity, which is really amazing. So again this is like a perfect gifting option. It looks classy, it looks really nice, and pricing wise also it's really nice and amazing. So now the other gift sets that Kimrika has to offer you are these. So if you have like a better budget, then you can go for this sets, because इसमें भी काफ़ी अच्छे products उन लोग ने curate किए हैं. So depending upon your budget, you can go with either of the gift sets. Okay, now moving on to the next gift set. It is by Kama Ayurveda. अगेन कामा आयुर्वेदा के पास काफ़ी अलग ऑप्शंस है, बट जो मैंने लिया है वो सबसे सस्ता गिफ्ट सेट है. एंड दिस इज देयर मास्किंग गिफ्ट बॉक्स एंड इट ओनली रिटेल्स फॉर ₹700. Actually MRP 700 है, but Amazon पे you will always find this even more cheaper. In fact, all of the gift sets that I'm showing you, Amazon पे you will find them cheaper. So like you can see here, this is the beautiful Kama Ayurveda masking gift box, and इसका packaging ही it steals the show. It's looking so pretty, and when you open it, these are the contents. Okay, so you get one rose water in here, then you get 2 Mridul face cleansers, you get 2 Suvarna Haldi Chandan face pack, and you get 2 Lavanya plant mask. Okay, so this I feel is really amazing. Like the concept of this is really nice because you get mini sizes. So you can try them out, and then जो आपको पसंद आता है you can go ahead and buy the full size of it. So I feel this kind of a set is really useful, because it is like a cleanser and face mask का set. तो आजकल तो मेन एंड विमेन, आजकल तो मेन भी दे प्रेफर अप्लाइंग फेस मास्क। सो बहुत अच्छा कन्वीनियंट पैकेज है, स्मॉल एंड इट हैज़ द परफेक्ट क्वांटिटी। सो वन ऑफ लाइक इंडिविजुअली एक अगर आप देखोगे तो ये एक इज़ सफिशिएंट इनफ फॉर 2 to 3 टाइम्स ऑफ यूजेज। एंड साथ में आपको रोज़ वाटर भी मिल जाता है, सो यू कैन ईदर मिक्स द फेस पैक्स एंड द क्लेंजर विद रोज़ वाटर or with water, depending. So again, I feel this kind of a gift set is really amazing. Now in Karma Ayurveda, these are the other options that you can check out on their site. तो ये वाला जो है इसमें आपको 1000 रुपीज़ का गिफ्ट सेट आता है, एंड इसमें दे हैव ऑल ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट्स इन द मिनी वर्जन. सो इफ you have like a better budget, again this one would be a great gifting option for you. Moving on to Forest Essentials. So Forest Essentials also has a lot of gifting options, but this one that I'm showing you is the lowest price, okay, because I wanted this video to be under rupees 800, so that is affordable and it's at the same time it's easier to gift. So this one that you can see here is a beautiful gift set by Forest Essentials, and this is their Parijat body care. So this one contains their body milk as well as their shower wash in 50 ml size, which I feel is a decent amount, because Forest Essentials again is like a luxury brand. तो उसके प्राइसिंग तो आपको पता ही होंगे, दे आर लाइक स्काई रॉकेट हाई बोल सकते हैं. सो आई रियली लव द पैकेजिंग ऑफ दिस वन. बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुल दिखता है. द एंटायर एस्थेटिक्स ऑफ दिस पैकेजिंग इज रियली प्रिटी, एंड वंस यू ओपन दिस बो लाइक सो, this is how the actual products looks like. Okay, so I really love the aesthetics of this packaging. It's really nice and rich and royal, and this is the body wash as well as the body milk that you get in this. Now the Parijat fragrance is very florally. Okay, so you can पिक एंड चूज़, जो भी इसमें काफ़ी अलग वेरिएशंस भी आते हैं. जस्ट इन केस यू वांट टू गिफ्ट दिस टू अ मैन, देन यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली चूज़ अ डिफरेंट गिफ्ट सेट. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शंस दैट Forest Essential has to offer. This gift set right here is specifically for males, okay, for men in your family. तो ये separate एक men का set आता है. This you can gift, or else there are this kind of different gift sets also available, like soaps का set भी आता है. So depending upon your budget, you can go for either of them. The next gift set is by the brand called Khadi Naturals. Now Khadi products are really raved about, and काफ़ी सारे people literally swear by Khadi products because they are really pure, organic. At the same time, the pricing of these products are really amazing. So this is the beautiful luxury spa kit that you can see here by Khadi, and this one is priced at rupees 825. MRP इस पर लिखा हुआ है, but Amazon पे like I mentioned, you will always find this very very cheap, like affordable. Okay, और भी discounted price पे आपको मिल जाएगा. So this is how the beautiful packaging of this product looks like, and when you open it, इस तरीके का आपको गिफ्ट सेट आ जाता है. So there is this lavender and lang lang body wash, there is the peach and avocado moisturizer, there is the sandalwood massage oil, then there is the sandal and rose body wrap, and the rose and papaya body polisher. So this sounds so exotic and so luxurious, and even the packaging of this gift set is really amazing. So I feel this kind of a like gift set would be a perfect gifting option, and like I mentioned earlier, this is the aesthetics of this packaging is also really pretty, so makes like a perfect gifting option. Next, if you want to gift your mom, or there's a new mom in your family, then I feel the Mom's Co ka ye gift set is perfect for her. So this is how the beautiful gift set by Mom's Co looks like. It comes with this kind of a beautiful satin ribbon, which when you open, these are the contents of the product. So they have the natural body butter, there is a natural foot cream, there is a natural Vita Rich face serum, as well as the Vita Rich face cream. So again, the products are really amazing. They are like अलग अलग चीज़ों का है, like there's a body butter, there's a foot cream, and then there's something for the face. So it's like a complete package, for any new mom, or just if you want to gift your own mother. I feel these products would really work well, and even the aesthetics of this packaging is really nice. I really love this hay kind of a ये जो दिया हुआ है जिस पे ये products रखे हुए हैं, really nice. So again, this would be the next gifting option. Okay, so those were the individual sets. Okay, now what I'm going to be showing you is an idea that I did for two brands. ठीक है, so McCaffeine is one brand and Plum is the other, Plum Goodness. Okay, so both McCaffeine and Plum Goodness also have these kind of individual gift sets. Okay, but what I did find out is that if you are buying the individual products of this product and then gift wrapping it yourself, you will get them at much more cheaper. ओके, सो प्लम के बेसिकली मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे बॉडी वॉशेस है विच दे हैड देयर बाय वन गेट वन फ्री का जो वो सेल था ना, तब मैंने परचेज़ किया था. सो आई हैव दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एट ऑलमोस्ट लाइक हाफ द प्राइस. और ये जो गिफ्ट सेट आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा, इस पे द प्राइस लाइक दैट MRP पे थोड़ा सा कम है. तो व्हाट आई फील इज़ प्लम के प्रोडक्ट्स, यू नो, व्हेन यू गेट दीज काइंड ऑफ डिस्काउंट्स तभी आप बाई कर लीजिए. एंड व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ अ बास्केट, और इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ बास्केट यू कैन, जो आपके कॉरुगेटेड बॉक्सेस आते हैं उसी को अच्छे से गिफ्ट रैप कर लीजिए. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ जो नेट का गोल्डन नेट का ऐसा कपड़ा आ जाता है, वो आप अच्छे से इसके ऊपर गिफ्ट रैप कर दीजिए, तो भी यू नो इट विल मेक बहुत ही अच्छा गिफ्ट सेट बन जाता है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव डन विद McCaffeine एज वेल एज प्लम के प्रोडक्ट्स. सो McCaffeine के अगेन आई हैड गॉट द बॉडी स्क्रब, the bathing bar as well as the body lotion individually along with the soap tray, और वो मैंने इस तरीके के बास्केट में इसको प्लेस करके आई हैव जस्ट रैप्ड इट विद दिस गोल्डन नेट का कपड़ा. एंड लाइक आई शोड यू अर्लियर, इट जस्ट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. तो ये आई फील इज़ मच मोर अफोर्डेबल हो जाएगा आपके लिए रादर देन बाइंग दीज गिफ्ट सेट. सो या, दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. Next, if you want to gift fragrances, then I have this set by Bella Vita Organics. So some people like gifting fragrances. तो fragrances का क्या हो जाता है ना, it's very subjective. If the opposite person does not like the fragrance, तो थोड़ा सा issue हो सकता है. So that is why this set by Bella Vita, I found it really unique and affordable. So this perfume set is they have for women as well as men. तो ये मैंने women का लिया हुआ है, and it contains 6 individual mini perfumes like you can see here, and this is priced at only rupees 599, in which you get 6 different mini perfumes with all the different kind of fragrances, and उसके भी notes इधर पीछे in description mention किया हुआ है. So you know, this I feel is a perfect gifting option because the receiver can, you know, test out all the fragrances, and then, you know, whichever he or she likes, they can go ahead and buy the full size. So I feel this kind of a like perfume का mini version kit also would be a really nice gifting option. एंड लास्टली बॉडी लोशंस हो गए, मास्किंग हो गया, परफ्यूम्स हो गए. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू होम लाइक डेकोर, या क्या बोल सकते हैं, होम फ्रेग्रेंसेस आप बोल सकते हैं. सो Miniso हैज़ really nice gifting options. These are the different candle sets that you can see here which they have. So these come in a set of 4 as well as 2. So if you're like जिसको आप gift करना चाह रहे हैं, they are more into like candles and home fragrances, then these are also really great gifting options which you can gift them. Or else you can even gift them this gift set which I'm currently showing you. तो ये एक diffuser, reed diffuser with कैंडल का सेट आता है. लाइक यू कैन सी हियर, इट्स सो डैम ब्यूटिफुल. इसमें भी काफ़ी अलग फ्रेग्रेंसेस भी आते हैं. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर लाइक fragrance preference, you can either choose any of the gift sets, and this was also very very affordable. Like you can see here, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सस्ता, at the same time really amazing looking quality का था. So that is why I chose this gift set also. तो ये भी आप, you know, it can be easily like, so again this is like a perfect gifting options if you do not want to specifically go into like body care and stuff. तो ये home के लिए आप अच्छे से gift कर सकते हो. ये तो आप किसी को भी gift कर सकते हो, whether it's like, you know, irrespective of the age group or the gender, you can gift this home fragrance to anybody. So yeah guys, those were all the gifting options for this upcoming festival season. So I hope this video was helpful or useful to you, and you did find some good gifting options to gift your loved ones this festival season. season. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope you did like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also guys, अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हैं, प्लीज़ कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग. एंड सब्सक्राइब अगर आप कर रहे हो तो उसके साथ वो जो बेल आइकन होता है ना, उसको भी क्लिक कर दीजिए. इससे आपको मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा. So that's it for this video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.